Okay, the Chinese barbecue pork you usually get from Costco, or actually a number of stores you can buy it from. Comes with the Chinese mustard and sesame seeds. And a lot of people have asked me, how do you actually use that stuff? How do you utilize the seasonings, the mustard and the sesame seeds that comes with it? How you should prepare it and serve it. So I'll go ahead and display that, and then you'll always know. Be able to do it for your own family or friends. You'll notice before we even get to opening the package that it comes with two sesame seed packages and two Chinese mustard packages. There's usually 1 pound each of the Chinese barbecue pork. So I have a small family, so I'm gonna go ahead and just open one package and serve that. And again, you can make 2 servings, or if you have a bigger family, just make them both at the same time. Before I put it in the oven, I try to slice it the way I want to serve it, so I don't have to deal with it hot, number one, and two, it cooks faster. It doesn't have to go through the entire thing. It's actually broken up for you already. So that's the way I do it. Do it any way you like. I usually take it just like this and wrap it into two. I use my air fryer. I could use a big oven, of course, but it uses a lot more energy. I'm a pretty frugal person. So I use my air fryer, and I do 375 for 15 minutes. And I'll take something this big, which is, about 10 inches long. I'll break it into 2 sections and put 2 different aluminum foil packages inside the air fryer. And so 375 for 15 minutes, and it's ready to serve. And I'll show you how to display it and serve it. You might ask, it doesn't look like there's very much mustard for that big 1 pound chunk, all those slices or sesame seeds, but you don't need much. It's hot Chinese mustard and a little tiny dab will do you. Anyway, I think that they got it worked out fine as a recipe. And when it's consumed, it'll be consumed just like that. 1 package per 1 pound of each one of those. So it should be fine. You should be set to go. And this is a good way to have it set up in your oven. I'll show you that next step in a minute. Okay, this is the way it looks when it's ready to go into my air fryer. And just have 1 single wrap of aluminum foil over it. Again, 375 for 15 minutes. And it'll be perfect, ready to be served. And I'll show you the display. And it's just perfect. So it's really very little work. I try to do things the way I like to, which is not a lot of work. So this comes straight from the store. You heat it up, you serve it correctly, and people have a wonderful treat. Okay. Okay, here it is right out of the air fryer. And came out perfectly. No mess, even on the air fryer. No mess. I just threw away the 2 aluminum foils I had it wrapped in. And like I said, 375 for 15 minutes. And it worked out perfect. It's actually steaming right there as you can see it. And just absolutely perfect. So now, of course, you can serve whatever crackers you like. There's Ritz, wheat thins, or what have you. And you can just eat it just like that. You just take a piece of pork, dip it in your Chinese hot mustard and a little bit of dab of sesame seeds it comes with. So this is a quick, fast treat. And you have people show up and just literally while you're sitting them down in your home, you can whip this up in literally a few minutes and serve it like I lay it on a little paper plate, perfectly fine, no mess, no fuss, and just simply walk away. So it's not a hard job. Anybody can do it. Go to your store, pick that up from Costco or some other store, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, put them down below, and I'll get back with you.